Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Diana Loves Colors. Thank you for coming by to see what I ordered from Shein. But I just want to say thank you to everyone who has been sharing my birthday postcard challenge announcement video. I really appreciate that. There's a lot of new subscribers, and I want to say welcome to all of you. And what else? Yeah, I just want to say thank you. So anyway, I have the Sheen order. It's been sitting here a couple of days. There's some things that I really liked, and then those couple of things I wasn't very happy with. But anyway, I got a couple of funny birthday cards. So this one is pretty self-explanatory. I like funny cards, and I don't have any sentiments that say colonoscopy. And this one I thought was so funny. I tried to send you something awesome, but the postman told me to get out of the mailbox. And these are blank inside, too. And I don't know why the envelopes are red. So I got this tissue paper. I thought it was really pretty, and it was on clearance. So I got it. I'll put it away with my stuff, with my summer stuff for next year. So this is something I really did not like. They had these, what they called rusty looking jingle bells that were looked like pumpkins. And this is what they sent me. They are actual rusty balls. You can see all the rust inside the package here. I'll put it on a tray so you can see it better. So I don't know. Maybe if I wipe them down, I don't want to send anybody something that they're going to need a tetanus shot from, for goodness sakes. I thought they were just rusty looking, not actual rust. But yep, there you go. Just in case you've been looking at any of those, I want you to know what you're going to get. And you did get 5 of them. Oh gosh. I got these cute snails. Let's get rid of Rusty Jingle Bell there. Pumpkin Bell, whatever you call it. So these are just little, they're not even flatbacks or cabochons. They're just little snails I thought would be cute to put in somebody's embellishment box for the summer. So I'll be maybe putting those away. Or, I guess you could include them in any kind of snail mail. I got this washi tape. This was also something that was marked down on clearance. Well, that's what they said. So it is really pretty. It is blue and has the gold in it, kind of like the water. So that's probably going to get put away for the summer too. And I found some of the paper that I used so much of. So you get 36 sheets in here, I think. No, sorry, 24. And this is what it looks like. Just really kind of pastel, beachy looking, watercolor looking paper. And it was pretty decent paper, too. Let's see. I think this is one of those hard card things. I got the blue bottles this summer, so I got these. My goodness. So these are more for Halloween. So you get the bottles here. Let's see how many are here. 6, 7, 8, and then you get these little things that go, labels that go on the bottles. So I thought these would be good for Halloween. Or Oh, there's another one. What does that say? Syrup, vinegar, druggist, and apothecary. Ooh, nice. Strychnine. Oh, there's another little bottle. So I forget how many pieces are in here. And this I found from ordering the other ones. But I think if you had typed in hard card, like I had told you before about Temu, you would also find this under that description. So there's my little bottles. I'll put that away after. And I also went back to the place where I got my other hard card die cuts and got these butterflies. So I'll just take out a couple. Oh, I guess I'll just show you a couple. So a lot of different colors, and they did have about 6 different items at this store. So some of them I can use for Halloween. Some of them I can use any time of year. So there's that. Trying to see how many. And it's funny because these, when you're looking through them, the names of them are in German. So you have to click on each one and see what it looks like, because I do not read German. Do any of you guys? Alright, there's that. And I think this was the same place I got these little sentiments. And they call this, and there are 50 of them in here, warm tea with fresh breeze. Where do they come up with these names? I'm going to have to get another tray. Okay, I have to bring these way up so you can see them because they are really, really tiny. You get 2 of each, 25 different sayings, and I read a couple of them that must have lost something in the translation. And sometimes I get these and they make no sense to me at all, but most of them look pretty good. So I saw these little pieces of food, and there was 5 in here, and I don't know why they're individually wrapped, but there's a loaf of bread and some waffles with butter. Those look like some kind of dumpling or something, and I don't know what that is. And then this looks like a cinnamon bun or a bundt cake there. So I'm blaming this all on Liana with her tiny things. I must have had that on my mind that night. So I moved all of that stuff out of the way so I could show you some of these bigger things. So I was waiting for this order for so long, and for some reason it was all the fault of these little tiny puffy stickers with the ghosts on them. I think they're like all ghosts. Yeah, mostly. So I got 2 of those because I really liked them. So maybe one for me and one for a swap or a happy mail. And also something that I have been looking for a long time, and I never thought to look on Shein or Temu, but it's these pieces of fencing with the wires in them. Someone had showed this in a roll that they got at Walmart, but I've never seen it at my Walmart. So you get, and this was not expensive at all either. I think it was like $2 or $3. So let me open this. And they only had it in 2 colors well, maybe I don't even have to take it out, but let's see. So this is, I think, 2 feet, 4 feet of this, because it's doubled. So this should last me a long time. And I saw people make embellishments with these. So I got it in brown, and I also got it in white. And I mean, I wish it was a little smaller, but I'm not going to complain for what I paid for it. It was so cheap, and the amount that you get is pretty awesome. So that is my Shein haul, everybody. Um, Let me know if you've been shopping at Shein. They seem to have some pretty good deals, but I think I'm gonna stay away from their app for a while. And I tried to return the rusty pumpkin bells, but it said this about a lot of things. That they don't take returns on this item. They don't take returns on this item. A bunch of them. But I'm so happy to get these and these especially. I've been waiting for those for a long time. So thank you for watching, everyone. I'll see you next time with something new.